Today we are going to talk about carbon cost, which is an idea inspired by the team having Srihari, Jinuskukamaran, Navanath, Gokul, and Nishad. Or 250 plus years now, humans could be burning coal, oil and gas for energy. This is causing threatening changes to our climate, the massive effects of which we are only just beginning to experience. Humans increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by around 40% within last 250 years and more than 50% higher than in 1950. This increases warming of the Earth's atmosphere. If we continue this, the CO2 level content of the atmosphere will double, if not triple in the 100 years. According to United Nations Development Programme, Sustainable Development Goal 13, the reach is to become carbon neutral by 2025. That requires SAP to run all its operations on 100% renewable energy and compensate for all other emissions within the material scope of its operations through investments such as those in the Livelihoods Carbon Fund. It is achievable through carbon markets. Carbon markets aim to reduce greenhouse renewable in RIGI. The carbon funding can be contributed by every individuals. When we do a digital transaction, our machine learning algorithms will first identify whether the transaction causes carbon emission or not. Then the ML will calculate carbon tax or green initiative fund against the transaction type or carbon footprint type. This is based on the global average footprint released in 2014. And eventually this fund can be used for renewable energy sources. How it works? We should reduce energy sources which emits carbon and invest more on the renewable energy. The collected Green Initiative Fund can be used individually for carbon-neutral activities. Also they can fund to any of the organization to help reduce carbon footprints. Once user enters the transaction window, carbon cost will calculate the Green Initiative Fund and add that to total amount. User can choose whether he want to add to carbon fund or not till we have this mandated in the system by appropriate laws. Once it is done, application will indicate the same as shown. User can view the carbon emission path trend and the low carbon path if he is contributing to carbon cost or selecting alternate solutions. Also benefits that received throughout the 15-year span can also be seen. Benefits. Application gives an overview of savings and benefits on income, emission rate changes and his contribution to carbon neutral after the transaction. Now, how carbon cost outreach marketplaces. Banks or credit unions can declare themselves as Go Green.
User persona and benefits. For individuals, they can proudly say that they are part of sustainable development or they can join hands with others. They will get the benefits of tax and benefits from banks and government authorities for going green. Banks/credit unions. By attracting more customers, volume sales will be increased. Worldwide community and joining hands with carbon neutrality markets. For Finistra, we have the CSR initiative goals that will align with this. Increased customer rate and sales and thus increase in revenue. Check out the live demo at the given URL. Video on YouTube and source code available at GitHub. Thank you.